Welcome to the DeFi Dan Podcast, hosted by Dan McGuire. A reminder that all content and topics discussed are general only and is not personal nor financial advice. Always do your own research beforehand.
Hey guys, Dan here. Welcome to this week's podcast. Well, we thought Fucktober was bad, but November is like getting your dick caught in a bear trap. Not pleasant, in other words. But hey, this is crypto we're talking about. There's good times and bad times. Let's get into it. Segment 1, Weekly Market Recap. This week wasn't pretty. Crypto's trying to tread water while macro storms circle. Bitcoin slipped to around 101,000 to 102,000 US dollars, and even flirting with the sub $100,000 threshold. And Ethereum? It tanked hard, down around 7% in a single day, dropping from around $3,910 to $3,610 this week. Total market cap sliding, risk assets getting dumped, altcoins bleeding. The bounce attempts? Weak. The floor? Still shaky. Segment 2. What broke so? What's caused this mess? A few factors. Macro headwinds. A hawkish tone from the Federal Reserve. Strong dollar, rising yields. Risk on got hurt. Psychological breaks. Bitcoin dipping below $100,000 turns into a self-fulfilling flop for some traders. Altcoin and Ethereum over-optimism. Ethereum's seen sharp bounce attempts, but sentiment flipped fast, and that often signals trouble, not strength. So it's not that the market's collapsing forever, it's just shifting phases. The hype leg stalled, and the next leg isn't here yet. Segment 3. What to watch? Here's where you could focus. On-chain accumulation. Are big players quietly buying Bitcoin and Ethereum while everyone else panics? If yes, decent sign. Support zones. If Bitcoin can't defend approximately $100,000, next support might be the $91,000 to $97,000 range. Derivatives/ETFs flows. If institutional money starts creeping back in, that's a green light. If they keep walking away, this could drag. Altcoin divergence. If majors stay stuck and select alts start moving independently, that signals rotation. Macro and regulatory cues. Fed decisions, dollar strength, inflation data, all bleed into crypto faster than you think. Segment 4. Hot takes. Here's what I think. Again, not financial advice. The local bottom for Bitcoin might be forming, but I'm not betting on a smooth takeoff yet. It's bumpy. Ethereum has more upside if it can shake off the sentiment trap, but it needs structural support, flows, accumulation, conviction. I'm watching the altcoins doing actual work. Protocols, infrastructure, compute, not the ones riding hype waves. Bottom line, this week sucked for many, but it's the shakeout phase. If you're properly positioned and disciplined, there's opportunity hidden in the mess. That's the week in crypto, raw, real, and non-BS. Share this with someone who needs to hear it. Send across some likes, whatever. Stay alert, keep your head down, and remember, when everyone expects the next run, it's often the time to be cautious. Catch you next week.